Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Talking, Turning and Tea. So it's been a very busy and interesting past couple of weeks. So as you might be aware, just over a week or two, was it 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago I was at Axminster Tools Machinery, their store in Newcastle, in an area called North Shields. And you know, I was there as a demonstrator for the whole weekend, and you know, the Geordies are so nice and so friendly. Had an absolutely great time, and I've got a couple, not this piece here, a couple of pieces that I turned on the demo. So this was a small bowl made out of Newtonia. So it's a Mozambique exotic. And this piece was given to me by Rob Wilson from Dalman Timber to try, and it turned really well, and people in the audience were saying how beautiful it was, and people were writing down what species it was and where to get it. So it was a lovely bowl, very dense but at the same time really nice to turn. So there was that, and then also I did this big sycamore coloured and textured bowl. So I'll just spin it around there, so I hope you're getting that. So it had a foot on it, and I tried a different form and I tapered the foot in, and did my usual maker's mark, the spiral. So it's got a foot, and then it was turned to this shape, and it was almost like a reverse OG. And then on the top it was textured and then sprayed with black acrylic, and then the high spots are knocked back, and it was coloured with red spirit stain, and then lacquered, and just a little dish in the middle. So that was really enjoyable to do, and again, you know, quite a few people were going, that's fantastic, and they were saying it's going to cost us a fortune in here buying texturing tools and spirit stains and things like that. So, and that was a technique showed to me by Tracy Owen, the woodturner. So that's a really interesting and simple technique to do, and you get good results. Now, I don't know if you've seen this one, but this was a potpourri pot that I did at a woodturning club in Scunthorpe, so North Lincolnshire woodturning club, and it was a potpourri pot out of olive ash. So this smelt really nice coming off the tools, and that was again, but I went with a bit of a UFO shape because I'm a bit of a geek when it comes to UFOs and sci-fi and things like that. So anyway, that was again lovely to turn, and it's got a nice undercut. Let me just have a feel in there. It's got a nice undercut, so you can pack plenty of potpourri in it. And I was just, basically it was to demonstrate my ability to hollow out and work on an undercut and reverse turn, get the lathe spinning the opposite direction and be hollowing out in reverse, and obviously making a mortise and a lip for the pewter lid to sit on. So it demonstrated a couple of techniques, so that was good. I'm not sure if I've shown you that before, but in my mind I'd said I hadn't. So if you have seen it before, I apologise for going over that again. So what else has been happening before I get onto the Hidden Heroes Awards ceremony? Well, I've been in a couple of interesting conversations with some old and dear friends. So there could be some news coming out of that, and I've just met somebody who will hopefully become a new friend, and we're in talks about something exciting pertaining to selling my pieces overseas. So I can't say more than that, but that's just in its infancy, that new project. So yes, I will keep you informed, and that could potentially be quite a long process. So, but anywho, I thought I'd just share that little nugget with you, and let's move on to the the subject of the Hidden Heroes award ceremony. So I've got the award here, and it's basically, it was from, I don't know if you can see it or make it out. I think NICOLA has put pictures on Facebook and everything, and it's by Business Cloud. Now Business Cloud, they did a story on me, and Chris Maguire, who's the founder of Business Cloud magazine, and he's the editor, they really do stories concerning, you know, the use of tech in modern business and how it assists business people and entrepreneurs. So I was, originally brought to Chris's attention by him being at an event that I went to listen to about presenting skills, and he wanted to realise that I use tech and screen readers and the pen friend and talking tape measures and, you know, applications on the iPhone and things. You know, it was sort of like, wow, he was really interested to find out more about the tech. Anyway, this award ceremony, and it's just a little under a week ago, it was last Wednesday, at a place called Lytham St Anne's, just near Blackpool in the northwest, on the northwest coast. So it was in this huge marquee, and it was a really posh marquee, you know, with hospitality facilities inside, and it was carpeted and heated, and, you know, it was as big as a mansion, this marquee. But the marquee was there to host a number of celebrations for St George's Day. St George being the patron saint of the UK, and a fabled dragon slayer. So the award ceremony was for 12 winners. That includes myself. I'll just put that down again now. But yeah, basically it says Business Cloud, presented to Chris Fisher, the blind woodturner, at the Hidden Heroes event. So 12 winners, and there were people there from manufacturing and catering and the food industry, recycling, finance and accounting, and sports. And the sportsman there was a cricketer. Forget his name now because I'm not big on sports. No shit. So yeah, he was the former captain of Lancashire Cricket Club. So it was a great morning, and it was funny, you know, all these people were there, and, you know, a lot of them have multiple factories and premises or huge offices, and some of them, you know, have turnovers in the tens of millions. Oh, and also there was someone there from the equestrian and dog supplement industry as well. So yeah, it was really weird to be hearing, you know, yeah, I've got a turnover of 75 million last year, and, you know, I've got a turnover of X million, and also the businessman that's chucked a couple of million at Accrington Stanley Football Club as well. He was there. He was a nice guy. So he's got factories all over the place. A very successful businessman, and now the chairman of a football club. So yeah, it was weird to be next to these, you know, very successful businessmen and women. And then I was on the first panel of 4 for the Q&A, and you've got this woodturner there from Lancashire who earns about £4.50 a month, I think. So yeah, but it's not all about the money. I was saying that just as a joke. Obviously, yeah, you know, I want to increase my income and things like that, don't we all? You know, we've all got bills and food to buy, you know, just like everybody else. And but it was nice to be recognised because, you know, after dealing with the blindness and then the severe anxiety with it, you know, starting, you know, this new life as a woodturner, and, you know, now this is my life as a woodturner and demonstrator and YouTuber. So yeah, I'm so proud of what I've been able to achieve, but it's still it's still very important to get the message across that it's about inspiring and motivating people. Now, you've heard me say this before, and it really is, you know, so much about giving people hope, what I do, and so many people go through so many tough times, and, you know, I'm hopefully showing that, you know, you can really do anything you want. And to receive this award, it was a great honour, and I am humbled. And, you know, like the rest of them was, you know, we were saying, well, you know, we don't think we deserve this, and just hear Bamba now mooching around. All right, Bamba, just walking around the backs there. So it was great, and of course Bamba was there and he was having a great time. And in particular, we got talking to a gentleman called Peter Street. Now, Peter, he's the chairman and owner of a cardboard box company, and he's got a big factory in Blackburn, which isn't that far away from here, probably about 20-25 minutes. And he was loving the story, and we had a great chat, and he's invited us over to his factory, and so we're going to go over probably in the next few weeks, if we can arrange it and work around NICOLA's work calendar. We'll go around there one afternoon, and he'll explain how the cardboard boxes are made and the processes, and he's got lots of machinery and cool tech, and obviously computerized equipment that can probably make any box, any size, any shape, you know, that the customer requires. So that'll be really interesting, and I'll ask if I can take the camera and get some footage of his factory. So that was really cool, and he's a nice guy. And I'm sorry, Peter, for getting you covered in Bamba's hair, but he's got 2 spaniels anyway, so he said he's used to it. So yeah, it was a great event. I'm so proud to have won it, and you know, a lot of where I am, it's down to you guys. And, you know, I do not say this lightly, you know, it's down to a lot of it, of where I am today and where I am going, is down to my very dear friends and subscribers on YouTube, and anybody else that has been kind enough to support me and help me. You know, Axminster Tools and Machinery, that's obviously, you know, now that they're sponsoring me, so that's still in its infancy. And hopefully I'll be, you know, doing some great projects in the future with the help of Axminster. So yeah, the amount of people that have helped me along the way and given me such kind, supportive words, you know, of course you're all a part, and hopefully you'll still play a part. So yeah, it's all cool, and by the time you probably get to listen to this video, we should be in Birmingham, because this will probably get uploaded, scheduled to go live Friday evening. So we'll be in Birmingham, ready for Maker Central. So that's just going to be an epic event. And I was talking to Martin Saban-Smith about it, and he's going to be there, and Mike Walt, and, you know, so many amazing friends, and, you know, people that I've listened to obviously on YouTube. Laura Camp from Germany, she's an amazing maker, and obviously Jimmy DeResta and Izzy Swan, Carl Jacobson, you know, Steve Twidell will be there, and you've seen that video where I went through most of the list. Epic event, can't wait. I'm on stage, as you know, so that's this weekend. So I will be prepping for that, not tomorrow, Thursday. So is there anything else I need to share with you guys? No, not really. The subscriber rate is still ticking away slowly but surely, and when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway, and I'll try and get something really nice and special to give away. So keep subscribing, folks, and we'll get to a good giveaway at 5,000. Obviously my Patreon account is live, and I've just uploaded a second video where I do some paint spraying of some garden furniture. So obviously these videos are sort of like behind the scenes looks a behind the scenes look at, you know, some everyday chores that I get up to. So, you know, don't forget to pop over if you can to, you know, pledge £1 a month on Patreon. It really will help me keep chipping away at life and kicking its arse. So that's about it, folks. Oh, hold on, I'll be back in a sec. Now, these came yesterday, so I don't know if they're coming to make a central or not. Right, I've got them. So, you getting them? Is it the right way up? Is that the right way up? How's that? Who knows? I can't tell. So anyway, we've got stickers here for sticking on things. That's it. So I don't know if we're bringing any of these new stickers to make a central. I'll have to just double check with Nicola. But keep on turning. Obviously, literally, it means, yeah, get in your workshop and get something on that lathe. And it's also a metaphor for don't give up. Don't give up. Keep chipping away. Kick its arse. And all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, that's it, folks. So, thanks for tuning in this time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. It means the world to me, and obviously, you know, every bit helps me get closer to my dreams and aspirations. So that's it. Keep on turning, everybody. Keep on rocking. Make a central. If you're going to be there, come and say hi to myself, Nicola and Bamba. It'd be great to chat with you all. And obviously, yeah, I'm on stage doing a demonstration, so I hope you get a chance to watch that. So yeah, fantastic weekend coming up. Take care, everyone. Big love.